Hi guys, welcome to the Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to solve furthest building you can reach. So, in this question, we have given an array which contains the height of buildings at each position, that is the index. If here at 0 the height of building is 4, at 1 2, at 2 7, at 3 6, at 4 9, and at 5 the height of the building is 12. So here we have given some bricks and some ladders, where if talking about this example, we have 5 bricks and 1 ladder. Now if the man is at the first building, it can jump to the next building. Here the next building is of smaller height. It can directly jump to the next building without paying any cost to that building. So it is now at first index having building height 2. Now it wants to go to the next building. So next building have height 7. It is at of height 2. So this means it needs to pay something. The payment is of bricks or ladder. So it can use bricks or ladders to reach at 7. So we will find the difference of these two buildings, the height of these two buildings. Here 7 minus 2, that is 5. So either this man can use 5 bricks or 1 ladder. The height of the ladder is infinity, where the bricks are only of simple 1 length. If it takes 5 bricks to reach to the 7, it will be like 1 2 3 4 and 5. The bricks will be decreased by 5, so this is 0 now. And this man now at this building. Now the next building is of smaller height, so it can go directly to the next building without paying any cost. Now the next building is of 9 height. The difference is 9 minus 6, that is 3. So it need to pay 3 bricks, or it can use 1 ladder. So it have only 0 bricks, so it can't use bricks now. So it have to use ladders. It will use 1 ladder to reach at the building having index 4. Now this man is at the building having height 9. Now the ladder is decreased by 1 because we have used 1 ladder. Now if it wants to go to the next, here the next building having height 9 and it is at having height 12, it is at 9. The difference is 3. It needs to pay 3 bricks, or it can use 1 ladder, but it don't have any ladder or bricks. So it can furthest reach to the building having index 4. So we need to return this index. So for solving this question, we need to check whether we should use bricks or the ladder. Whether we should use bricks or ladder to reach to the next building. Now for solving this question, we are going to use min heap priority queue, in which we will push all the differences one by one of the buildings. Let's see how will we use that min heap. So we have min heap priority queue. Now at the first time, it will check for the difference. Here the difference is 2 minus 4. It need to go to the next building. 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. The difference is in negative. This means this man do not need to pay anything. It can directly jump to the next building. So it will jump to the next building. Priority queue is empty now. Still empty now. The next building is of height 7. It needs to pay 5 bricks. The difference is 5, 7 minus 2. So it will add 5 in the priority queue. Now whether it can use bricks or ladder, it will depend on the priority queue. Ladder will be used for the highest difference of the buildings, so that it can use the bricks to go to the further buildings, because ladder don't have the fixed length. The ladders having length of infinity, so it can go uh, to any difference. If this is 17, if instead of 7 this is 17, the difference is 17 minus 2, that is 15. We have bricks only 5 and ladder having 1. So if we use 5 bricks, we can't reach to the building having height 17. But if we use ladder, we can directly go to the height the building having height 17. So that's why we are using priority queue. Find the highest difference, and we will use that difference. If the difference is high, we will use their ladders. So now it will use ladder. If it use ladders, it will go from here to the building having height 7. Now the next building is have lower height, so it will directly jump to the next without paying any cost. Bricks are still 5, ladders are 1. Now the difference is 9 minus 6, that is 3. It is greater than 0. This means we need to pay some cost, so 3 will be pushed in the priority queue. Now the priority queue having element greater than ladder, we have to use this ladder for the highest difference. So here we will pop one element, so it is min heap. The popped element will be 3. So for this 3, we will use bricks. So we have 5 bricks, 5 minus 3, which will equal to 2. So if we use 3 bricks here, 1, 2 and 3, now we have only 2 bricks left, and this man will go to the next building. Now the next difference of the next building is 12 minus 9, that is 3. Again it will post, because it needs to pay some cost, which is 3. So it will post in the priority queue. Now again the size of priority queue is greater than the ladder. We have only one ladder, so we will push again. We will pop again the element. It is min heap, so smallest element will be popped. Now bricks only have 2. We have only 2 bricks, and we need to pay 3. This means the bricks are of negative -1. So this means we can't go to the next building by using only 2 bricks. We need the third brick here. So this means this is the answer where the man is standing. So we will return the index. This means if the brick is less than 0, we will return the index of that building. At that point we don't have anything here. We don't have enough bricks to reach to the next building, and the ladders we have already used for the difference of 5. So let's code this by using the priority queue. We will solve this question. Now we need a priority queue. Priority queue of type int. We need to make it min heap type, so this will make it greater int This will be of min heap type now, PQ. Because in C++ the priority queue is default max heap. Now we need to traverse from 0 till the heights dot size -1. Why -1? Because we need to find the difference of the building the man at. If the man is at 4, it need to find the difference between the next building height and the man standing at the current building. So 2 minus 4, which is -2. If this difference is greater than 0, we will push it to the priority queue. Else we don't push the priority queue. We don't push the difference in the priority queue. So we need to find the difference first. So difference will be DIFF. This will be heights at I plus 1, that is the next building, minus heights at I, that is the current building. Now we will check if the difference is greater than 0. We need to pay some cost. So for paying, we will push it to the priority queue. Now we will check if the priority queue size is greater than the ladders. This means we need to use, for the minimum differences, we will use bricks. The bricks will be decreased by the number of bricks at the PQ dot top. Then we will pop the element in the priority queue. The condition to return the index was if the bricks is less than 0. This means we don't have enough bricks and we have already used the ladders. So we need to return the index of the building the man standing. Now at the end, if we have enough bricks to reach to the furthest building, that is the last building, we will return heights dot length. Here it is in vector, so dot size -1. Size -1, the last building index. So this is the code. Let's run this. So it is giving the output. Let's submit this. So all the test cases are also passed. So this was a very good question. Hope you understand the concept. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.